In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a download link in Google Drive, step by step. We'll break down the process for you, ensuring it's easy to understand and follow along. You don't need to be a tech expert to do this. Just follow these simple instructions and you'll be able to share files effortlessly. Let's start by opening your web browser and going to Google Drive. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see all your files and folders listed. From here, navigate to the file that you want to share. If your file isn't already uploaded, you can easily do this by clicking on the New button in the top left corner, choosing File Upload, and then selecting the file from your computer. After locating or uploading your file, the next step is to make it shareable. Right-click on the file, and in the drop-down menu, select the option that says Get Link. A dialog box will appear, showing the link settings. By default, the link might be restricted to only specific people or your organization, preventing others from accessing it. To make the link shareable to anyone on the internet, you'll need to adjust these settings. Look for a section that reads Restricted or Similar and click on it. A new option saying Anyone with the link should appear. Select this option to change the link settings. Now, anyone who has this link will be able to access the file. For additional control over how others interact with your file, you can adjust the permissions by selecting whether people can only view the file or have permissions to comment or even edit, depending on your needs. Keep in mind, if you're only sharing a document to be downloaded, viewer access should suffice. Once you've decided on the permissions, click Copy Link to copy the download link to your clipboard. The final step is sharing this link. You can paste this link into an email, a chat message, or any other platform where you want to provide access. Recipients simply click on the link to download the file, with no need for them to log into Drive or request permissions. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've created a straightforward way for others